was the equivalent of this a long time ago. See, it's all rotted. It was just like a 1/4 inch little batting on both sides with something in the middle. But now it's all rotted, at least the part right where you sit, both sides. Just because the face isn't ripped doesn't mean that it doesn't need to be reupholstered. Or ripped through, because this is where the people actually sit, kind of. Mostly two people would sit in the back, and it ended up here and here. This is pretty well it. In fact, this starts, still has the glue and all that's on it. This is it, and then the little bit of foam that this is pressed in, which is like about that thick, that's the padding. And they put a little bit of foam here around the front edge, I guess because, see, the skirting has no padding. They put a little foam right on this so it won't rip, but I'm gonna put it all new. Yeah, it would have basically been this. This would have been the firm. The springs would have held you up. This would have guarded you from the springs, and then this would have given you what little softness you might have felt.